A beautiful lip balm is kind of one of my favorite things in life. And that's why I love this Sigma Moisturizing Lip Balm. This has such a beautiful, like, moisturizing formula, and that gives you the hint of like a natural looking color, like a natural pink to the lips that you're gonna like absolutely love. So I'm gonna take off any lip balm I have, and I'm gonna show you exactly how this looks. So as you can see, it's a super easy color, and you can already see it's tinting my lips a little bit, but nothing insane. It's just kind of making my lips a little bit more like plump and pinky, and it's really looking beautiful. This has some amazing ingredients. This has hyaluronic acid, which will help with any like damage to the cellular level that your lips have and also hydrate your lips. It also has vitamin E, which protects the skin and restores damaged skin cells, soothes any dry, chapped lips. This also has jojoba oil, which nourishes and hydrates the lips, which will give you a healthy glow. As you can see too, this is super easy. I love to just throw this on in the morning and just head out the door and let it work and give me that natural, beautiful tint, and like just reapply throughout the day whenever I feel like I need it. So if you're looking for a lip balm, especially like a pH activating one, because this is such a beautiful color, this is the one you need.